Check the style, it's the lifestyle. Doing it wild. From the frost to the fire, you know the vibe. Let's go. Let's go. Straight from the coldest savanna to the globe. Got a secret recipe, yeah, the golden rope. It's a culinary journey, a premium flight. Serving up the magic every single night. From the plains to the streets, we're taking control. Food for the body and food for the soul. Scrumptious, mouth-watering, yes, a hit. Steep lifestyle, come and get a bit. Chocolicious, squishes, the texture's divine. The best serving, baby, end of the line. Highly satiety, appetizing too. From the coldest savannah, straight to you. Straight to you. Straight to you. See that steam rising, smell the aroma. Waking up the world, shaking every persona. Bold on the palate, heavy on the plate. Why settle for good when you can have great? One bite and you're hooked, it's a flavor explosion. Steep lifestyle, we set the emotions. Scrumptious, mouth-watering, yes, a hit. Steep lifestyle, come and get a bit. Chocolicious, squishes, the texture's divine. The best serving, baby, end of the line. Highly satiety, appetizing too. From the coldest savannah, straight to you. Straight to you, straight to you. Straight to you. It's more than a meal, it's a way of life. Cutting through the hunger like a silver knife. Stay full, stay fresh, stay wanting more. The world's never tasted this flavor before. Chocolicious, squishes. Chocolicious, chocolicious, squishes. Such a lifestyle. The best serving from the savanna to the world. Yeah. Keep it appetizing. We out. the frost on the plain to the heat in the pan. We're rewriting the flavor, we're changing the plan. Sea lifestyle, yeah, we're setting the stage, turning the wild to the culinary rage. It's exclusive, it's bold, it's a taste sensation. From the coldest savanna to the heart of the nation. Mouth-watering magic, yeah, we're serving it hot. Everything you crave is right here in the pot. Ice-tipped winds to a golden glow. We've got the secret that you need to know. Rare ingredients, the touch of the elite. Sea lifestyle brings the heat to the street. Drizzle the mystery, garnish with gold, the greatest recipes that have ever been told. From the frozen horizon to your table tonight, one single bite and you're feeling the light. It's exclusive, it's bold, it's a taste sensation. From the coldest savanna to the heart of the nation. Mouth-watering magic, yeah, we're serving it hot. Everything you crave is right here in the pot.